Hey guys, what is up? It is Cameron, and right now we are at my buddy's house. We got my BMW here, my other homeboy's BMW right there. We got Johnny's BMW up on the driveway there, and yeah, it's just Beamer Squad, Beamer Nation. So we got to go get a U-Haul truck. We're gonna go pick up an engine and bring it here because obviously we can't fit the engine in the 323 and we can't fit it in the Z3 and we can't fit it in the other 323. So we're gonna have to go get a U-Haul truck and bring that over here. We got all the mounts in. We got a lot of parts that came in the mail, and I'm just super excited to get this build off the ground. We've just been ordering parts for the last 2-3 months and pretty much just prepping for what's to come. But yeah, anyways, if you guys are new viewers out there, be sure to subscribe, smash that like button. Without further ado, let's get into today's video. Something about having two of the same cars right next to each other just get you smiling for sure. Right now we're gonna go get some food and put some gas in this Beamer. Then we're gonna go get a pickup truck so we can go pick up the LS motor. So hey guys, so we're currently in the U-Haul truck. It's pretty nice, got the little 8-foot bed, just chilling. Got Johnny in the car. We had some good food at Taco Bell. We're on our way to go pick up one of the engines, and then we're gonna put that in the back. Obviously we're gonna put the drive shaft in the back and take this to the new location, and it'll make the swap just that much easier. So we're at the place, gonna load the engine into this truck. It's gonna be straight. I'm excited, super excited. I gotta unlock it. Okay guys, so we got the engine effectively back to my buddy's house. Just think, pretty soon that's gonna be in there. Wow.
Look at that.
Look at that fitment, dude. It's gonna slide right on, dude. So we just got done from dropping the U-Haul truck off. We're in the E46, headed back to the house. We're gonna start building this engine, and tomorrow, stripping the Beamer for real. And then tomorrow we have an engine hoist coming in, so we'll see if we can't pull the existing M52TU engine out tomorrow. But yeah, just super happy and making a lot of progress. Also, I'm well aware that I said I would be revealing the new car, but I haven't even gotten around to that yet because I've been dealing with some technicalities. So once I'm done with those technicalities, I will be revealing the new car. But I have it. I already paid for it and stuff. So there's that. And more for the engine swap, we did pull both the radiator fans off. So we got the secondary gone and the primary is currently gone. That was a clutch fan, so that's awesome. Did take off the intake and disconnected the fuel rails and all that. We took out the stock harness, so the stock harness and computer is gone, and it turns out this is actually a 2.8, not a 2.5, so that's pretty cool. Gonna try to reuse the radiator, just gonna have to clean it up a little bit, but we're gonna jack it up, drain the coolant, and yeah, that's pretty much what's going on right now. Okay guys, so the car's on jack stands right now. We're going to be disconnecting the exhaust, and right now we're getting the coolant drains and taking off the radiator. We ended up actually dropping, by we I mean myself, dropping the exhaust, and I also dropped the drive shaft so that we can pull, see if we can get under there, so that we can pull the engine and transmission easier. I do got to get a couple of special bits to get the drive shaft off the differential, but it is effectively off of the transmission right now, which is going to make pulling the engine and transmission way easier. Additionally, we also took off the primary and the secondary fans, and those are currently in the back seat. We did take off the protective covering. This is for the drive shaft, so there's a few bolts, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and those were all taken off, so it's pretty much just chilling right now. Today's goal is we're going to actually have to pull the front end. That way when we pull the engine and transmission, it just comes straight out. Ended up pulling the radiator. I'm not gonna lie guys, so when this depressurized, it was shooting a lot of air. It was going effectively scared me. Now what we're doing is we're gonna pull this front end. That way we can just pull the engine and transmission out today. Now the front end is officially pulled off and we can just pull the motor out. Not gonna lie, this is a huge fucking thing right here. About to lose a lot of weight. Wow. So initially I was just gonna get new headlights altogether, but I decided that I'm just gonna replace those side marker lights with some newer updated ones. So I removed them and they're currently sitting over there. Anyways guys, so that's gonna wrap up another video. If you guys are new viewers out there, be sure to subscribe, smash that like button, and comment down below what you guys want to see in future videos. I'm Cameron, and I'm reminding you guys that on cars, like, no, I'm just kidding. I'll see you guys. Peace.